Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by collecting recommended 5W20 oil, a new filter, correct socket, and an oil pan. Once ready, run the engine for 5 to 10 minutes to warm oil so it flows, then park on a level surface and engage the parking brake. Make sure to jack the front and support the truck on stands, safety first. Position the drain pan under the drain plug, and while you loosen the plug, listen for pressure release. You'll feel the plug break free when the oil starts to flow freely. Once the oil is draining, let it run 6 to 10 minutes so most contaminants exit with the fluid. While it drains, inspect the drain plug and replace the crush washer if needed. Torque carefully when reinstalling. Next, find and remove the oil filter, angle it to avoid spills, and let residual oil drain into the pan. Prepare the new filter by rubbing fresh oil on the gasket. This ensures a better seal. Thread the filter by hand until snug, then follow the recommended hand-tighten specification. After reinstalling the drain plug and filter, lower the truck and add the specified amount of oil through the filler neck using a funnel to avoid spills. Once filled to near the recommended level, start the engine for 30 to 60 seconds to circulate oil and then shut it off. Make sure to inspect under the truck for leaks at the plug and filter. If none, wait 5 minutes and recheck the dipstick, topping to the correct mark if needed. If you see a persistent leak, retorque fittings or replace the filter gasket.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.